June 26th will be my anniversary. It'll be 23 years. I'm hoping to get me one of those 25-year rings. That's what I deal with on a daily basis. It'll look like new when I'm done. There's a lot to learn. You know, you think you know it all, and you know, I'm still learning. I started over in produce back in 2000. In 2006, I came over here. I was in the Air Force, an aircraft mechanic in the Air Force. I had no idea the department even existed. However it looked, out of the factory is what I'm after. You can't even tell. I don't feel old, so what else am I going to do? And you know, you're in a nice controlled atmosphere. It's heated in the winter and it's cool in the summer. And test run this one after this one to make sure it don't leak, and then we'll move on to the next project. Thank you, sir. You know, these are pretty expensive machines. They're probably like $10,000. So instead of throwing away, we can refurbish them if they're not rusted through. There's a sales rep for ADF. He says there's a lot of people out there redoing them, but nobody does them like me. So kind of made me feel good. Back when I started in 2000, actually it was 2006 when I came over here, I used to count 25 trailers. Now there's maybe 140 semi-trucks. So I'd let you know how much they've grown in the past 20 years, you know. ESOP. You know, the employee owned? Yeah. I've seen a lot of people retire from here with a lot of money in their pocket, and especially if you start out when you're young, you know.